Let's determine which number is larger backslash 0.1 backslash or backslash 0.15 backslash. To do this, we'll compare their decimal places one by one. First, we note that backslash 0.1 backslash is the same as backslash 0.10 backslash. If we rewrite backslash 0.1 backslash as backslash 0.10 backslash, it's easier to compare these two values. Let's list their decimal digits. When comparing backslash 0.10 backslash and backslash 0.15 backslash, we'll examine each position after the decimal point. Both numbers have the same first digit, backslash 1 backslash. But in the second decimal position, we see backslash 0 backslash in backslash 0.10 backslash compared to backslash 5 backslash in backslash 0.15 backslash. Since backslash 5 backslash is greater than backslash 0 backslash, backslash 0.15 backslash is the larger number. Therefore, backslash 0.15 backslash is larger than backslash 0.10 backslash. Or, in other words, backslash 0.15 backslash is larger than backslash 0.1 backslash.